on, guys. It's time to come in.
Keep going.
Oh, come on. Get in here. That's enough. Oh, come on.
You can't make it. I don't think
Let him get up. You're just making it harder. Come on. You've been out long enough.
You need help?
I'll help you. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You were out there like all of about 3 minutes, and that's long enough, isn't it? Love you. Love your outfit. Love your fireman boots, or whatever they are. Your car is buried in snow. Did you have enough cold to worry? I think you're a little frostbite. Seriously, where's Tia?
Outside in the van.
In the van? Okay. All right.